Hi everybody, welcome back to my Fleatale finds. So this is the last video of or almost last video of some of the jewelry that I picked up. I purchased, again, 131 pounds of jewelry, and I've shown you in another video the better jewelry, the sterling jewelry, the jewelry that I'm going to sell as a lot, and now I'm going to show you some of the jewelry that I just find that comes in the bags. I sell them at the markets. Sometimes I sell them, group them into a lot. Other times I sell them individually. Here's an idea of what I find. So in the other video, I was telling you about the Mogul jewelry. This is from India. These are newer pieces. And I had mentioned that they do use semi-precious. So semi-precious stones, pearls, diamonds, emeralds, sapphires. Well, those are the precious stones. And then the semi-precious being citrine, carnelian, quartz, just all different kinds of things. So here is a perfect example. These are real little seed pearls. These stones are just crystal. They're not even a clear topaz or a sapphire, white sapphire. Then in this bracelet, there are semi-precious stones. They do test for topaz, citrine, and other stones, and yet it's not in a gold base. It's just just a metal, gold tone metal base, but really nice looking. Here's a Victorian style painted porcelain pin. It's not Victorian, it's newer, but maybe 1930s actually. Just a really lovely look with a lot of colorful detail. Then here's a rosary that I found. This is actually a newer rosary, but made with cloisonné beads. So these are enameled beads. I would say that it would have been older, but the centerpiece sort of to me gives it away as a newer rosary. Nonetheless, really nice look to it. Here's another rosary. This is made with Aurora Borealis beads. Not incredibly old, but older than the cloisonné rosary. But these are collectible. A lot of people, for so many reasons, want them. Then here is a little gold-filled, tiny, cute little locket. Here's another gold-filled locket. These are glass earrings. They're by Accessocraft, a collectible company, but just not incredibly decorative. Here is so this is from Germany. It's from a company called Testrite, Germany, and it's a cute little compass. Then here is a wonderful, decorative, heavy glass bead necklace. No name in particular on it. Here are a pair of newer Tory birch earrings. This is sort of a Victorian revival crescent moon with faux pearls and glass prong set glass faceted stones. Then there's this piece which is probably from the 1930s. It's just very of the period, missing one stone, with a wonderful faceted center and really lovely detail. Then there's this really, really nice, looks sort of Moroccan, Indian, sort of hard to figure out exactly where it's from. It has wonderful motifs, butterfly, fish, just needs a few little pieces of chain, and then it's a really nice necklace. And then a wonderful tie clip from the New York Police Department, and a pocket watch, newer. And then here's sort of a very nice modernist brass clean line 1970s with a looks like a semi-precious stone in the center necklace, sort of like a collar necklace. And then I was going to go through some of the pieces that come in the bag. So I'll go through some of them with you, and then I'll go through some others in another video. So again, this is some of the jewelry that I get. Here you can even make your own jewelry. It's a jewelry kit. Very nice wrap bracelet. Nice beaded bracelet. Great for St. Patrick's Day or any other time of year. Just lovely, whimsical, colorful. One of the stretch bracelets. Here's a nice bracelet. This one says Scorpio. Find a lot of these little charms in here. Very nice, newer, but still lovely, appealing look. Plastic, but sparkly, sparkly stones in a heart setting. I mean, look at how nice this is. A faceted prong set, newer necklace, choker necklace, stretch bracelet. This one is part of a necklace. So this is an idea of some of the pieces of jewelry that I pick up in my bags. I have one other bag that I'm going to go through a little bit more detailed in my next video. Thank you for watching, and I look forward to seeing you in my next jewelry video. Bye.